Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are working back on the Fiesta. As you can see, I am pulling the lower grille off. Of course, I'm going to remove the plate in a minute just because it will make it better. But the top and the lower grille, you just need to pull and it eventually comes off. There's no other way to do it as far as I can see. All it is pushed, clipped in, and then you pull, clip it out. As you can see there, I'm undoing the plate and you can see it's unclipped, and you can watch me just pull on it a bit more and you can see it just comes out. All the clips are perfectly fine. Just give it a few moments. It might need some assisting and bits, but it is a very nice and cheap modification you can do to your Fiesta. So we're going to carry on taking it off, and we will, once I figure it out, there we go, and then we just get the last little bit, and there we go. Amazing. Look at me hard working. Right. Oh yeah, okay. So the top grille is a bit difficult. Of course, my bumper was all undone because I've done some other maintenance stuff to my Fiesta. This is obviously the daily vehicle, guys, so don't judge it too much. It is only a little diesel, but it gets me to A and B and still able to bring content out for you guys. I tried the screwdriver trick and that didn't work, so I went back to the pulling method, and as you can see, eventually it gave up. As you can see on the grille, it is just pushed in, and as you can see as I pull it, it all just comes off, and there you go, it's all off. So now you can just see all of it inside. So we're just going to go and grab the black grills. As you can see, there's lovely gloss black inside one. Look how shiny that is. That looks amazing on that blue paintwork. So there we go, and then obviously you just push it in. Just very nicely. You might need to support the bumper as it's all flexy, it is all plastic, as you will know. So just look at it, mirror shining like it's mirror, just like looking into a mirror, that is. So we'll carry on. Now we're going to get the lower bit. The lower portion was a bit difficult to clip in. I don't know why, but it just was a bit more difficult. I don't know if it would be better to do the bottom grille instead and then the top one, but obviously as you can see on the top, you've got that plate on the bottom part. Obviously if you want to improve airflow, you could drill work. There we go. But it looks so much better with the gloss black inserts on the car with the blue. Looks brilliant. And here we are, nice little catch up. Unfortunately it rained on that day, but as you can see it looks a lot better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Obviously there'll be more content down below, and all the links will be down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys.